How's it going, everybody? My name is Thomas Draven, back again for another video, and in this one we're going to be taking a look at Lockhart's Groom Cream. Right away, I want to say that this video probably looks a bit different. I have the light on because it's super dark outside, just because it's like 7:30 in the morning and it's, I think, overcast. And in my previous video in the description I mentioned that I was having troubles with video quality looking kind of grainy, and I figured out that it's a lighting thing. Just for the sake of the fact that when it's super dark, like the phone tries to compensate, I guess, or something of that nature. So the camera quality ends up looking really kind of crap. And so I will be sort of figuring out the lighting situation as we go forward, because that doesn't look super good, but it makes the video quality look super good. And so we will just see how that goes, and I will find a better way to cope as 2019 progresses. I am still getting over a cold, that's why I sound a bit rough in the vocal department, but I mean, that's just something that my body goes through whenever I get sick like this. It just takes a week or two just to really sort of recover from all of that congestion and nose running and all that nasty stuff. So for a while I'm gonna sound like this, but it's natural, so we really can't do anything about it. So getting right into this, we're going to be taking a look at Lockhart's Hair Groom and all of the sort of multifaceted things that it can accomplish in just one simple product. And right now my hair is actually pretty much just loaded with oil-based pomade. I started off the week by using Music or Misery by Sheer Revival. Then I used Easy Tiger the next day, and then on the third day I used Lockhart's Hair Groom. So my hair has some pretty substantial buildup, and the Groom Cream is really good at really sort of breaking that buildup down before you go into the shower and shampoo, in order to just sort of really knock out some of that buildup and really sort of slice through all of the grease that you have in your hair, just so it's a bit more effective when you go in with a shampoo and conditioner to really clean your hair. This stuff is super creamy. I'm just going to take, just a little bit and just sort of coat my hair, and then I will go and wash it, and then we will take a look at some of the other things that this great product can achieve. Right, so Groom Cream has been applied, and now I'm just going to sort of let it sit in my hair for about 5 to 10 minutes, just so it can sort of really start to break everything down in my hair, and then I'm just going to quickly shampoo and condition like I normally would, and then we will take a look at some of its styling properties. Alrighty, hair is nice and clean, and now we can take a look at the Groom Cream and some of the other properties that it has. So the Groom Cream is super conditioning, super nourishing for your hair, and essentially it's still like a very conditioning sort of product, but it's still very much water soluble. And it's basically the water-based equivalent of Lockhart's Hair Groom, which recently was announced to be shortly discontinued from their line. I don't know exactly when they're going to discontinue it, if that's already happened or not, but Groom Cream will be sort of taking its place as sort of a light hold and conditioning product. So now I'm going to use Groom Cream as a styling tool just to show you that this product has the potential to be used in styling and should be a suitable replacement for hair cream. So again, this product is super creamy. This comes out like that, the sort of fingerful, and we're going to be using it as a pre-styler on damp hair, and then we will blow dry, and then we will be using it as a post-styler as well. Alright, so I just took 2 scoops of Groom Cream. Now I'm just going to blow dry my hair in my normal style, and we'll come back and use this product once more, and we will take a look at the final result. Right, so hair is 100% dry. I just blow dried it all the way through. And while the Groom Cream doesn't provide a lot of hold in the pre-styling sort of phase, this does provide a pretty nice shape and just enough hold to sort of get things styled back the way you want it to, as well as providing a really sort of nice gloss to your hair, just this sort of nice sheen that isn't too overbearing in terms of its strength, but still looks like a really nice base for the next step. So right back again, I'm just going to take a couple more finger scoops of the Groom cream and just apply it to my hair, and then we will style with it. Right, so now I'm just going to take my blow dryer and just finish off the style, blow dry everything back on the cool setting, and we will take a look at the final result. Right, so there you have it. This is the style. It's just sort of nicely slicked back. It looks very neat, very tidy, but still really nice. I think that this product, while the hold is not the most substantial thing that you can ever find, I think that this would be great for sort of like a lazy day hair product, or something that you can augment the hold with a stronger product. And it just provides a really nice sheen, really nice shine to it, and it is incredibly nourishing for your hair, keeps it healthy. Especially for somebody like me who uses a blow dryer almost every day. I just really enjoy products that can sort of nourish my hair and keep it from drying out. And yeah, I just really dig Groom Cream. Here's a 360 view of the style. While I'm doing a 360, feel free to go down to the comments section down below. Let me know if you've ever tried Groom Cream, and if you haven't, if you've tried Hair Groom, let me know that you will be trying out Groom Cream, because I think that is a must-have in your routine. If you like Hair Groom, if you like sort of conditioning products that are really good for your hair, Groom Cream is definitely a suitable option. All right, there you go. This has just been a quick little video, I guess, sort of tutorial on how you can use the Lockhart's Groom Cream, some of the multiple ways that it can be used, at least for my hair. Certainly, I imagine this is probably totally subjective, as is everything on my channel. But I hope you've enjoyed. Feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. And yeah, that's all I have for today. My name's Thomas Draven. Peace.